omo e wo fom ho ne se me pa cha mo so my krado anan na wutia so se pum ono se my krado afi yenko na wasan bisa wo crutches omo nyina ka se yenko wi ansa na wa yeden wako nti ka akra nya se wotina mu na tu e wo process I was say a go through nti Andra yesua say life is not an event. So understand it. So understand life is not an event, but a process. You would have to go through the process before. Say a common deal. Na say a banku na opese wudi a. E wo say wudi kan akoto more. Ansan wa be hono. Ohunu wi a wasoja. Na go through that process ni nyina kakra. Ansan na waka. Enu titi ase se abrabo eye akwantu eko nkakra enti ndra meka kire wo se mo kan ade a eye amota yi zero si free mu no se o kenkan na kokoto 10 a eye unya zero ni free he nti abrabo sha se from 0 1 2 3 4 5 no akan akosa nti abrabo sha se from 0 ti ase mame nti de ndra yesua ye no ene ne ye de ka ho ne se enam se wate ase sa abrabo na wo bo no enye se wotina mu na atu ana o ayi yesusu ane ye ka asem bi ye se sebubu medi banku na ba sebubu so adi sa agro ni bi da sebubu emo na emo no efiri ba bi na ba ye kenkan story bi ye se story ne sa unya ka sebubu no a adekodi a wo be kan na ba nti na ye se sa na abrabo tie abrabo nye sebubu but abrabo eye nkakra abrabo te se wawo akwada e wo se wodi kan num nufu a nye se akwada ne beto ho na wafirase di banku fufuo because wo ye kwawuni nti a fufuo na mo penti wo ya asantini a fufuo na mo penti dabi but wodi kan ema no nufu nsuo nkakra nti ofiri nufu nsuo ni mu na fei wo kɔ enuane no koko ene oti ne ka ho na fei wo kɔ nanim obenyi beduru ba bi nya wo kra na beka kyɛn so nkoto fufuo ni enya wo na beka o because adwuma yi mu awei ye ni mu obi a wo pon ya ana less busy bi onya ya wo so okope ni fufuo di wo mu nyina wo ho enya obi no ka kyerɛ no ɔno a ba bi a waduro no ɔno atumi ka sɛ medi fufuo no akodi medi banku no medi sa na abrabo ye den etie enti so wate ase sa de ama me dia ni amedi piso ama wene wo da chinti ene se success demands sacrifice. Hey, brofo wante mame famra yankase ye kasa adim bedofo tie yedie eno nso so ansa na bebe mu no agye se ohun akodim agye se wahwiri bibi ansa agye sade bi a wo pɛ no o kata wani sade me pɛ pa na nso so enam asemasi ana enam ade wenti sade yi me kama no atumu ho me se de success demands sacrifice. Success upese odi ye okwa sorry dem obabo mpaye wo wiase nyina bi ubo wie ya yese ye gba afore na mosisi mutirase ubenya hoden aye de bo mpaye ubenya hoden e wo mpai bom na nso so yedie mu pa de wo a wudwane afore bo no unya bi yey memma ewiasefo pagans no pagans we call them pagans memma omfo mu buku mekyerɛkyerɛ wo se aforebo nye aforebo ne kosofo ho kwa asore ne ho na anyanya bi asore na wokɔkɔ tena mu no sɛ wokɔ ye wo wo nsɛm wo saaye ye bo keyboard unya akonwa so tena ye obisa wo ho da sa akonwa no omunya sika ne wɔ he anasa akonwa ne kora wo de enye sika mpo a akonwa ne firi he fa ne ba begu ho wobisa wo ho da sɛ meba bia na fancy so meba bia na air condition wɔ dan yi mu meba bia na niema de dana kwan so omunya sika wɔ he ɛna omu de atua saa nioma no to say light bill, water bill, any asɔre dan no abɛba bia ne akunu mu kama no ɛyɛ hemfo na ɛyɛ wabisa wo ho da ɛyɛ sika ɛyɛ nyame adwuma ne yɛyɛ nanso so nyankopɔn nkyekere sika bondo mfiri soro sɛ king of grace fo amonye nyankopɔn bɛka onipa dasani akoma anasɛ onipa a wɔsom nyame a wɔte nyame som aseɛ no a wɔte deɛ ɛfɛ no sacrifice aseɛ no ɔno na ɛbɛka no koma na wayi sika ɛde aboa nyame adwuma ɛne nti sɛ wopɛ sɛ wodi yie secret ɛwɔ riches mu na meka kyerɛ wanɔpa yi no the secret behind riches and say that is the principle in the Bible. The only principle in Yankopon can ya or can say Oma or Bemau. So if you want to be rich, don't be at the receiving end. Men may yet to say enough for fun can for being oh find who you are done. Oh find who you are done. Where be someone so that bang your back at someone's where you are done. Don't be at the receiving end. Ɛtɔ da bi a utiri mu ɔden dodo wo wasɛm na America no kɔ hɛ obi anim wo utiri mu ɔden dodo ɛtɔ da bi a ɛyɛ akyadeɛ make sacrifices give if you want to be rich a Christopher yi if you want to be rich make sacrifices in money give ɛtɔ da bi a manenya will last money kura and challenge God on that. Me ever since many free ya me hunu se Nyankopon ni. Sika bia ebe free me ho akɔ no. I get the money, but baby sika ni be free aba na me I have no idea. If I'm giving you money, asem ba ko pa na me kan say urade wa de ye ne ye biem. Ka press e mi ni eno na mayi a me de man. Enti baby sika be free aba no. Eno de wo wa wo nkyɛn. Enti obi ewo apam ewo sika yiem. So the moment you give, you will get it. But the sources where it will come from, you have no idea. Enti na no pay. Me nkasa mama sɛm nwa no. Ne amedi kwa kosie nyina ne sɛ make sacrifices. Obi sua adwuma, me kai. Ye adwuma ye di kan kosua adwuma ansa na ye ko school. Wobɛkɔ o master fie tama me sua adwuma no. Me kɔ me master fie adwuma no nti kura kɔ adwuma no mu no. Te sɛ ebi wɔ kana me mfa mani kura hu adwuma no. Me wɔ me master fie na wakɔ nsuo ama master no wa wo fufuo adwuma bia na yere pɛ so de wo ye no wa ye. Ene mrantie ne maba wa aba mpesa. Opese wo ba betina adwuma ni mu ano no sacrifice. Ye nkyere no ne wo nhunu. Na ne ode koye on fa nkonkoye. Ye mobra sa brada. Ye mobra sa. Ene obi ebe adwuma mu kura no a ye se boss nie no. Wo pese nka ye ntu ni mfiri ho. Na ye mfo no mehye ho. Je se ye nyi apuzo mfiri ho se manager. Ne ye mfo no mra. Learn to make sacrifices. Learn under some people. Subject yourself to leadership. And make sacrifices. Now, wo jedodo. Make sacrifices. Awari di muno. Make sacrifices. Eto de bia abuf obema ni bu afu. Wo oba no nso bu afu. Sacrifice wo abufu no. Ebi kwa na wo wasem ode. Nanso wo mu sacrifice wo de no. If you want to be rich, if you want to be a successful person in all your endeavors, this morning I'm telling you, you got to make sacrifices before you can see success in every spheres of your life. Oda chinti. Erade nka ye ho. Na domre no so mfama yen. Jemeso. Amen. Jemeso. Amen. Na fe se untwika na to wokeka. Said that shum Emma papa. Shum. Bonza Emma papa. Thank you. Send what they somewhere they said they are praying. 47 minutes after 8 live on Ahinkana 3.3 FM. Success demands sacrifice. Untimi sacrifice ya be ye kura untimi sacrifice ya unya to me. Untimi o. Sikaduro mpokura no. Amu make sacrifice. Sikaduro. So they always say, "Wo mfa kwampa so sikaduro kra na opa." Ye sacrifice wo ho. na what ya son dem enti na mpaboa atwa no prayer tower de bia wo de ha oho kan ye bo afori a de bia na ho na ba masa ja nkwa asem ne ko bo afori ni bi na nya mi hira wo yankwa homa ne so yankwa nkobo nkoma ya no honorable Paul Asamoah kwa kotwetwe enkomo honorable Paul Asamoah sisi ade oye substantive legally DCE awo achimansa mensini emu me de me share ne nkom to ho minim so wagidi ye de a honorable utiri nkwa ompombo ko de nyame adom na ja endra ye wie ya ye ba ne nsuo vim yen afiri ukuro ni mu ba yen ye kuro mu ha
kuse
Daja said your work no ye konkonsa ho ne edidie ntie be ne den okay enti oh yes da na eja ye tete achire ho no mu ana na ye hwede ekoso Endra assembly members ni nyina ye omto aba ni wieye a na omo a ewo ho ni nyina ato ane honorable toaso ema wo no e de na ekoso wadwene mu
no go never say I was humbled because me na the can say I mean so my you the American say I saw down bibia when say pass the man you say what dey am na you know what transfer a different what's not transfer you a different the over so there and go for him the other ba amount 100% 2017 I said I don't know how much transfer we see the and he said oh for the assessment of the Albanian and it is usually the endorsement of the trust the president I transfer and you know you are going to work to justify the trust the president the other two and also to indicate the judgments of the presidency. I was humble.
Na ohwe empanimfo omu nyina ba ye hemfo asofo imams ne omu eka hu nyina ba beta wachi no na eno nso so uhunu ni se adwuman metimi ayeni ode no si nchen a assembly members ya anto amame a manim gu ase metimi dia kofie ni na eno nso so se na ekoso wadwene mu
the presence of dignitaries I encourage me ama me to ina na ase because we share any by na the former DC for the theater DC for amaba na omo nyina by former DC the DC first the church mansa onobo na akwa e by you know fiako ode akonyo no otiso osore se metana so onobo tomudu e by ai oda member of parliament onobo kusiakwa nankasa odi ade bia oye bia e baby oda MC by kede DC by abrim DC by say ai asane manso e by nana no mu atenkunya nanza atenkunya kasefo no ankasa tutu omanan mu nana odumasi e by nana ofansi nyina ankasa by ai odewu nti anamu ode ni sine na so o watwe so ankasa so ni mpanifo by se na ohwa nana akwaso hima ohwa sofo akase ni chief imam ma wa hanu e by NDC constituency chairman e by ni ami chairman ni executive na by the coordinators party coordinators and former assembly members mo fi mo ni current wa nyina no so wo ho na dan nyina bo ma ti o nyina police station executive senior now I was humble and even media for where you had you can buy all the media networks where you are and media the never original news I don't want to know don't feel there if you know next say so we no in the ticket now we are not say anything about anything and also amount talent. I'm telling you, I'm not challenging because we situation as a master room any the area the day no more. The day no more. I think it's a more than more. Bahana we move to the number of cool. Tell me, what I will be sure now that because we need to have a city. Now, a horse should be near west and won't be any Yana ending, but so would you yell and Bible again now was saying, because sir, I'm sure there will be a challenger. Yeah, the two men the two men were not sometimes to Jana a young. But you know, I don't know, I mean, that can also do. I'm a treasured member. I mean, on our some members. They said, a year no bear one, no. So I'm going to 41, no. On our percent member for a meeting. So, presuming they're sending who not at all. We are about that kind of say, on my tea at the mentioning interest in that, in your and your personal interest. I never had a deep into the medicine here. And I think I say about on our summer machine now, so near about the Sadama Modio when we're leader. That's what to me and my child forces of who go forward do it here. It tells you, sir, and that's we a leader, Papa. We are all for the President and the Council, we are careful, baby. But I had one the leadership of some members, a Juma, Emma, a year free. I said, I don't and a leadership of both political parties, NDC, MPP, only penny for no more, NDC, Constitution Chairman, no, former DC, more organizer, almost secretary, more organizer, more organizer, or have a Constitution Chairman, the deputies, me organizer, me treasurer, they were there.
Okay, all right. Assembly members need be more raise concerns. I know the anya hani yebeka concerns no yen kan ha. But yes say ahwene a team panyin ni be nyira. Wada roma yebepe say ye nyina ye wo bedwam. Wo be hye wo mo se wo mo nsem wo mo kan ye nyina. Wo be di so ama wo mo.
I know ko hia no. Adaba kwa me ka kire wo no say whatever I discussing, the whatever is facing me, no, I'm finding a topic of motion. Oh, everybody should learn from whatever was happening because you see, say you say we're a political leader, not we a chief executive. Appointment on my penny, no, they are the power the chief executive. Positions are who do you know, you are my penny now, President, National Advisor. Position is high chief executive.
Any chief of staff.
Because who said, oh, but yeah, oh, who blended between go for the person and what some members on the way, and some of party first on the way, and there's one different blended too, no, I'm making sure I say, Ubenya, over medal, and to be in a medal, it is not easy. You can always not satisfy Ubia. And see, almost yet probably in a mature was said, I baby SBA, no, will be unfinished idea because I can never meet to me. I will not be on the seat forever. I cannot be chief executive. It can help. They can help you say any of us are near to can occupy the seat. But in occupying the seat, there are several number seats here. One here, you'll be overbread and so on. How do have to cry? And and me, my door is always open. Me, Obama officer. And I said, we'll be anyone who wants to be sure you are not going to pay. No, I don't close my doors to anybody. Will be and see a very and which will be on the man. Challenge you on the man. So on man on TSA, or burn when you know much chance of your door, not the idea about what you are not different. And see, I like some of maybe some members. But took up to see about another things. Little Bobby, maybe aside on ya ko fu so bi ko so man tin on tia so ba ka to say sin no wa chechi mo ba chechi mo na de no no agi on ko na e different kra nti odwone de be your challenges with and we have done a lot so if we use as springboard make me a epidemic because the interest of the district when you have the kind of man this is not from those days you say who come here to get there no quite easy but here in Kakanga it's just about 2-3 years to come now and now we be a moment in one competitive no but now they compare other districts so that's the most important thing about politics. Politics is going to be an impact in the lives of people. They are forgetting.
Okay. Enti ena de wabrɛ enti yɛbɛhwɛ na yɛde nkɔmɔ na si ha akyiri na yɛatoa so ba before wo bɛkɔ no na obi kura ka sɛ wohwɛ ɛyɛ initiative a ɔsoafo a wɔno na ɔkasa de ma aban Minister of Information ɛwɔ mu a press briefing na ne aban ne yɛ no ɔne Ghana fo edi ho nkɔmɔ no wɔno ne initiative no mo adwene ho da sɛ mo de bi bɛba mo mpɔtɛ mo hɔ ɛnneɛma na mo yɛ ne ɔmu anoma to nsa fra hinkanfoɔ no ma to nsa fra radio stations nkaeɛ no ma kyerɛ mu akyerɛ yɛn.
Yes, I think the policy honorable minister Adiaba yɛnyina about adopt nti no yɛ set na yɛ yɛbɛyɛ press briefing you know yɛbɛto nsa fra mu nyinaa na mo hwɛ yɛ kwan no na mo ka sɛ kwan na haba na yɛ de and of course, there has been mass improvement. Yes, I said, no, I'm not saying contact to Adana, so now you can't do this, and I will be about it. Let's start NTV. Let's start now. The Mammy, I am not sure. Now, we are no very close. And my answer, it's going to is mine.
Now, other way, I don't know. The Magu Gusra first call to an answer, no one yagui.
There were fancy board, you go 3 times. And they were going to first school, to go second, I could third.
Because that's in 15 more baby, not a where to 2. Need to be Bissas.
First school, Obey or that. You see, I'm on the board down continuation, and I had a country. Or something for down continue. Why you are Filiano or so. Look where they see. Every share the wire of Branson. We are now with second coach, and some will be third coach, and I can have the first class. Okay. By the time I second coach in the ground, about those cities, different from rules now.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Enti mame mo akwanya e bia na mpanimfo ebegya wo ebi mu tie yan opa yi na obeda wo mase a.
Okay. Ebi ka no, na dey am yasi. It is a normal be no. So we obi a we descending in the spirit. I will say yamen intino. Bibia mo no me first I said the day am yasi. Na madam peninsula. So we are planning between kakama and some me shaka akamanda me watchman or watchman samano. Na madam member of parliament honorable kujo ponkoma. So say me dem friend me say yamiama because we share a normal between me no influence ma between ya make the can say yamiama the be am not for bia na dana matter if the presiding member of the assembly then all the assembly members and now okay that say was very emotional that man spanama than the constituency chairman and the executive any constituency chairman of NDC in the executive and the former DC4 honorable Kwama in some so and the honorable Kusiakwa our judge my colleague NDC is Oda Asadema so Akwetia and Abrim and then penny for none of our Tankunya by none of us say a treasure Udumasi and the Nyan Kumi Nana Hinkra out of Sunai Jaffo Nana kwaso hima ni mpenifo aba nyina ni asofo fancy chief imam and then the of administration workers am na mo ye adwuma ni mpenifo nyina and the electoral commission mpenifo am here about on so mai and then am boss me immediate boss honorable regional minister and then team odom fikufo dey ba and am also media for but I didn't hear you know never said no more because of concern where you see not take go ma fi there da man some obi atibi anyam wanka so ye ke na ka ba okukum and so before me ye ba soro kwa na e be dikre no na ma take nkɔkɔnsa ayi ne so na obi ate nti ɛda mo nyinaa ase na yɛsɛ sɛ nyame nhyira mo nyinaa.
Amen. Nti yɛsan ma wo tiri nkwa biem ahenkan adwuma no abɛhyɛ da nso aba hɔ abɛma wo tiri nkwa. Afei ne yɛahyɛ adwuma no ase yankasa.
Nti meyɛ free a mɛsɛ na yɛaka so studio na dabɔ.
Yate. Wait a minute, say honeymoon ni baby adwuma na ne yɛahyɛ ase na yɛ kɔgye ahome kakra.
Davi sɛ mawie saa no ɛnna meyɛ me general assembly meeting. Efi ɔkyena kɔ nyinaa me ne honorable regional minister ne kɔka ne ho na colleagues na yɛwie ɔmo deɛ no. Ayɛ mo nyinaa deɛ no.
Okay.
Nti bɛka ne ho na yɛayɛ me colleagues na yɛwie ɔmo deɛ already no no. And then we have something to tell me because I want to ask.
Okay. Honorable, utiri nkwa biem. All right. Abusia ya ne Honorable Paul Asamoah oba yempotemo ha no mo a oye DC ewo achemansa mensini no emu. Ono ye ntra yie ama ya gena tum. Se ne ye yesi ye kuma pam ewo achease no. Ono no ho de edwo boko. Sanso so na yewura asare danso ono so manya ne ntie se nti ono so ye hwese ne bebo nkomo ya ne ntie se ono so ya gena tum nti ono so ni tiri nkwa na chire ho no na ada ne gobe 4 minutes after 9 me pato tie ma me ye ba gobe bia mu besane.
Hey, Sansa. Mommy for me mattress and come down, mammy. Wouldn't how? Now, a dear mattress near ye. Oh, some pa, now mattress be a canacoto. Oh, where dear brand? Why, say, yeah, ash foma. Not just a one to mattress. I had distress partner at home. Yeah, a mattress, a bemo chair, ya, the Biano de Mika Hospital. Nurse for crowd who are no one study Janet. And as over to use mattress, Trebia, a bemo so die bonnet, and I just ran out to come to South risky. A ash foam mattress. Nimpasu no mape ne mahunam duan ho jojo no etnetene wapo ne maoda na ho na manipadua na sisi ne ho so afeno meni ewie begiem papa hodo bebre mattresses, pillows, bed linens, duvets and in your mafe 5 this is demo ewa ash foam
Freyen was 055-299-7330 and now 0245-011-255 Shisha ash foam depot ewo oda kede stredro akroso ana achiasi na beto ashfom product ko siesie with them wasaso ana wadwaye bia ebiom so carpenter for ne upholsters mu betumi anya carpentry products na ewo ye shops wo be hu ashfom odan showroom ewo Ntiamwa junction.
Ashfoam, feel it, know it.
So, I serve it hot. I give you all the gist in the entertainment fraternity. I'm the music plug too. You're from Kobina Kosti. I branch part the perfect gentleman, host of Showbiz 933. Me bring a whole new package. So meet me, I'm a pandit.
What you say? And column for all genders, all age groups. That time almost 3 be one. Almost emergency. That's why.
Etiana ne ho ansem kan no an average pundit like some of us now we find it hard to discuss him, but it's what we supposed to do because we need to do and it's show business.
Because I said any quality one and too high near the don't I do massive for Americans one boys na crack say omo ba on me delete music TV free digital channels so omo decoder so
this and every Saturday from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m.
Okay, inti yamo akwaba na yenda wasese ufidie ne daso eda henkan 93.3 FM. Jubedie no eye Maakye. Eno an yeguso a yete akonya kase mu a yedi mu enkomo. Another topic here. Eno so enena ne nam mframa mu a Ghana fo bibiri no a se omonte ase. Bank of Ghana said face out. 1 CD 2 CDs ye be facing it out. Ye be facing it out say saying ye be yi the free system nim. Ye be ye free ho no mo a eden ye de be hye na namu. Na eye botaye benti e no mu be yi 1 CD any 2 CD no e de free system nim. Omo yi no afiri ho na omo de sika foforo bi de aba. Anase ye yi afiri ho ne ya hyase de sika no e de free henfa. We no mu nyina ye questions a wote ne saa no ubisa bisa na Maakye de bia ka kire wo se ensem a wunya mpanimfo no anka bebisa wo mo nanso so akonya ni ho no eno na yen ye gina wanan mu na yebisa sa questions ni nyinaa e de ama wo ye twe mpanimfo no the right people a ombetimi de anu yie e de ama wo nsem bisa no ye twe wo mo de wo mo e ba nhoma no so na yebisa wo mo questions no se ne tie no a e de ama wo eno na yetimi bisa obi se abrantie ya ade ntia ne anka wunya ya wo bebisa no eno na yebisa e de ema wo eye wo unti ne ya no pa bia ye betena ha no for God and country and inti dia no ate ase de mame and inti dia ababe ye topic ya go viral microphone ti ase no ye bebo mu nkomo yenko na ye ni Joshua J clue enko twetwe nkomo famfa saade ho face out face hwan ebisi relinquish ebisi tu ni nyina ye brofo omo na omo abene ye wura wote yenka no pa ya mo akye aba henkan so etiefo eje so yete wo nka na ache kakra ye gidi se bibia bokọ de ye de radia se wadaroma enra ena Bank of Ghana womo routine monetary policy aya wo ne ebedidi ho enkomo no omo san eba biem na ensem ode baaye no o se 1 Ghana cedi 2 Ghana cedis omo be yidi afiri ho sabrofo no ya dwene ho ayente ase ye beba so but ye ni kan enhwe e ka ye de e free 2021 year mu May bosumi ni mu no na enenam 332 billion they say ababa be drew 336 billion every hefa
e kan the customer accumulated debt accumulated with since olden days. And I'm funny say we the time I call if you buy so all the debt that we okay accumulated you what one and in nana other than that figure. So it's accumulated figure, not a single figure. So look at the area from independence up to now.
I say if you Kwame if you a car no as see about do 336 billion no e car da ho free Kwame Nkrumah breso na let's say free Kwame Nkrumah breso ba be drew mampani jeja breso kra ne de na nka yani abresi ye betimi atua kai asenka ye tua ne nyina free ho
I make say time they for over so no fair for if and if it we they call for debt relief and the debt relief omo dey can chair
if you Kwame Nkrumah breso de no ana say de he no mo de chair yin
yes if you Kwame Nkrumah breso ever to dey for the first step now
and omo de chair yin
aye
okay mami misa question we e car ye de as on mine no ugiri si ebetimi atua wi ansa na wi ase asai
so on mine be anu a betimi atua that can you
ana e ka we ye da we se onipa ba kokra wo Ghana ha betimi atua ni nyina o ana
so that be so ko aboche kra omuni na omudika debi a omudika
ina over Ghana hankrofo osika o nti onipa ba kuntimi nsore nka so okay Ghana moka mo di nyina 336 billion monye matua
why now let me just ask you
hankrofo ka je
o we are in that actually
Canada Japan mo ni nane nam kura yi mu a wo mo kire se wo mo sika aga money wo mo sisi dan
so we are in that
I see enti sesi ye ntimi ntua yi eda ho a boa na ye bogum no na ye ne den
Sunday as ye boka no na ye tiabi say loan tie contract no ye obi ye friend maturity date na nyama and she said maturity date no na ya tiaka no but the tiaka na because it cumulative into yet me can say because debt we ya tiaka no enti be ye to me as so ye the account but the engine I require debt nominal and actual it will be somewhere below the nominal or the real figure the nominal figure that we have over there. And so what be very nominal and a real. That's what I say.
Yes.
And definitely, sir, 300 plus billion. They are said the real one a very less than that.
Nti sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yɛn nyinaa bɛte aseɛ nti no yɛmfa ne sɛ ɛfiri bra COVID-19 baayɛ no enipa a yɛarekɔde ɔmo sɛ ɔmo yɛ positive ɛwɔ mu sɛ bi ho atɔ ɔmo ebi nso awu nanso still a saa figure no deɛ da so wɔ hɔ ɛnyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ 336 billion ɛde ehu a ɛno no yɛ ɛfiri Kwame Nkrumah brɛ so na mmom yɛtuatua bi. Oh, I see. And just a buy be about or no so be tia ne famu die obe to me.
That's right.
I see. Sisi ya share Bank of Ghana Governor Ernest Addison. Okasa na say wo share in dollar rate, you know. E ka no said ye e ba ye no a wo share May this year na enenam 59 point something dollars. But I say e babeduru July mu no ɛda so a ɛne nanam saa 59 no hɔ a ɔsɛ kakra bi na bɛka ho te sɛ 59 57 ɔno ga de ɔkyɛ sɛ adrɔpe nkyɛ sɛ in dollar performances no ɛwɔ mu sɛ yɛka ne kɔ soro deɛ nanso dollar bebree amam ɔno no ɔkasa from government perspective wɔn nso so a ɔnni aban na fa na wogyina ntɛm no sɛn na wohunu no.
Okay, so I feel sad. Essentially, so who measure debt in terms of dollar terms? But the sound say, "Pretty Kwame Nkrumah Brennan, dollar to see the now 18%. Now who that compare and so one at the end and see. So we know who say it's relative, and it's very difficult to take one side. And then I'm talking about social Kwame Nkrumah Brennan dollar to see the now I think next to social what's the difference? And so we will say it's very difficult. And so say it's relatively lower if as compared to that of last year. In terms of what are you measuring it with? If I think you are measuring it with the dollar equivalent, and I say it is that dollar equivalent. As at independence, what was the CD to dollar ratio? Then you see today's 1 to 80. So see, or measure in terms of dollar terms now. Because I would say last year, not dollar and 60 now. And then dollar and 60. And what kind of comparison do you want to do? That's what I say. So last year, dollar and 60. And it's also you are now comparing it in terms of dollar terms. So if you want to compare it in terms of dollar terms, I think now you should see rate for it. Yeah, last year now it was around 5.5, 5.8. But now it's around 6.1, 6.2 there. So why are you not using that one? That's what I say.
Yeah, I would want to quote Nancy Mokan. See, in May 2021, the dollar equivalent of the nation's debt was $57.9 billion. This increased to $58.1 billion in June. It, however, decreased to $57.9 billion in July 2021.
June, what was the dollar rate?
In June.
Dollar to CD. No about July. That's one thing about we academicians. That's one thing that we do. We normally try to compare like and unlike things. Because even in measuring of GDP, your real and nominal GDP. If you mean nominal, now I'm in real. I want to be now I'm in nominal. And yes, if you say like 10, now you comparison. But that's what I say.
Yes. But sir, in economics, you know, data comparison also is important, and at least I was saying who baby and now baby a withdrew any baby a woko.
Good. And then as also 2016, now I see debt to GDP was around 76%. So but because the year rebasing of our GDP, our debt to GDP fell below 70%, just around 55, 56% of GDP. But that's what I say. So, I think you have to get an accurate measuring term or a light term to measure it. And you can say, because 2016 now 76%, and at 2017 about 56, based on what the rebased GDP or the rebased economy. And so we can say you use the old figure because now the new one that we are doing, we are basing it on what the rebased economy. And that's what I say. Yes.
That is a data de who here, but I was so come no cray.
Data de who here, and I make say, so share almost past and present government. Data, there are different ways of measuring the data or looking at the analysis of it. And if we look at in terms of the dollar term, and now we look at in terms of the real figures, but at the end of it all, a candidate now definitely that's here. And see whether it goes up or it comes down, we will still pay for it. So we just have to look at how sustainable our debt can be, and not looking at if in terms of dollar term or cedi term. No, definitely we'll pay. And we have to look at how we can pay. So share Moody rating or Moody rating your credit party. Your mama is E-, which means it's likely say your contribution because you can at no level be an intimate.
Okay, indeed, my son found back to the real figure ne then friend is saying a figure be more
real and
nominal yes I'm right no so say if you were real and nominal figures said you were canoa any identina woman chire ye na ye can say aban yi ba ye ka wono abebonie aban ba ye ka abebonie na say ebia say wo ka say sa nia e free Kwame Nkrumah breso ba bepem ne ka ya boni nyina ewumu aban bia ba otua bi na omun ka say oh ye ka ye dinie in nominal terms but the real figure they say net here adani omun chire mu nchire yen
I don't know. Anything I say, both politicians, in America, say, among me, you see one verbal on the and that's all school cry. Can't say there are different school of thought. That's what I say. Yes.
I see. All right. Into the yem free and no cry hona fe yemra another topic here. No so and then I'm from Governor Edema Bank of Ghana say 1 cedi need 2 cedi no will be facing out from the system. Sabro for us saying
it's now or kind now social written on my it is somehow a person in the sense we use scan editing scam what I say and in terms of its sustainability see something is sustainable just like so what brings this into the economy first can check because and me ban say they are printing scam no China and not scan say so we capital and see social reading now my social the lower currencies now see they are wasting money in terms of its usage. I just say it doesn't last. So yeah, and our my reading say almost counting machines also they are struggling to count it because of how one out it becomes. And see, that was one of the reasons I gave. And he also said that the 2 cities was a ceremonial one for the celebration of the Kwame Nkrumah's birthday. And you see, I feel the ceremony in the we have to face them out.
Okay, inti omo reasons ni bi ni say o se omo be yi papers ni momu afiri ho na omo de coin no emomu aba.
And na make an enti so share because paper no na machine kan machine enti asan na make afa paper no enye coins ni. I just saw it.
Me de enti ase ne nheda nti ne ye owura. Ne etie ne say ye wa hai ye di ye 1 cedi ene ye di ye 2 cedis. Enti se wo mo counting machines ni ntimi nkan a. Ene wo mo kope counting machine betimi akan ye.
There. And yes, say counting machine there. Yes, the sustainability of it. Don't say, Michelle said, we catch will say, I scan 20 me share every baby and son of me baby. And see, I scan 20 sika. And see, so what 20 BB, I say, in your duration, man, India, the first can and last say 3.5 years. But in terms of how we use our currency and how we handle the currency, and Chediana say, well, of mine car.
Let us say a man de bomb and boss one or more to be dear so the beginning one near my yim. Into an only ball or mine car. Into any see ye be you 1 cedi, ni 2 cedi, ni ye be jadi, ne mum pepano, and ye be ye free 1 year the coins. Oh, at where be sampa. I see. It's not just a young clear doubt, no, because then go can say ye be jai 1 cedi, ni 2 cedi di. Ne moment sa. E your coins in moment ye baby di.
That's right.
Oh, I see. Yera, my young fan community ha, Madaroma. Yes, that's papa. All right, inti yane finance and accounting expert. Ena ekotwetwe enkomo no Yera Joshua J. Wa chire budi a chire yen. Na bi mu se ye beja 1 cedi ni 2 cedi di. Say nto sa. Paper ni mumu no. Ena omo che say Ghana fo ni bi ye fi. Enti nche ne ase no. E ba sa de bia na ye twa bi gum. Ye kotwa nso a ye di sika na ye kotwa. Ye boka. Enti se ye be boka sa bebre ne de ne ye beja adi. Ne ye di coins mum. Enti no 1 cedi coin 2 cedi coin no eno no mu betwa ne bebre because coin ne de just 1 minute. So 1 minute pa de ensei. Say na community de ase ne nka mu chiri yanka yewu. Wantie ahenkan Maakye a ukote ne hefa nchiremu wei ukote ne he unya no wo ba bia ye besa kwa homa no so biem ni akobon nkomo wei tawu edi afi ho ye kone ne honorable Asare Danso akotwetwe enkomo honorable Asare Danso akira de da nkrofo dodo no anhye da nim honorable abrepa honorable anopa yamo ache yama otiri nkwanso
I did that.
Na me ka se nkrofo bebre no anim se honorable Asare Danso no akira de o wo bi ni mu bra wa bre na wadaroma enra magic be na ye 100%.
Oh, any magic no, but it's all about relationship and hard work, that's all.
Inti enra no na eden na na ekoso utirim se say assembly members me no mo akasa me no mo te fine de now to say John say mo kan ye what if fear the delegates na den na ekoso wadwene mu
opening case here I dey ba kun say the NP say we are fine so the delegates in there you cannot trust them 100%, but then it all depends on what I say let's just find no more and the extent of rapport as a make it want to do it at least when somehow be track a credit for them. But that worry seems to be also. The good Lord will see it.
So you can't to a chance the anyway and san here to Honana.
Yeah.
Now, Oti say we on any books yata fre on a da form or one in nay. Uyamo shewo.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, me am because the house not meaning say very safe, but well, I don't know, but meaning say never could bombs. Say you still have second chance to complete.
Enti sisi ade ejeja beduru. Yehwe ani mu say yura sare dan so wo hye na dwuma ase. Ana obetu kwan kope ba bia hya adwodwe ne ho kakra kodi honeymoon ansa na waba beto na dwuma so.
Hey, papa, it's my way the honeymoon be anymore. I read now, see you that now you're caretaker. You see, it was why honeymoon be any because it's more. Until the next I bring a honeymoon crowd. It's more power. You could sort of it was
okay. Mami mo akwenya ina oni mpanimfu a eba beja wo ba beta wachi beto abama wo no wonu om kasa bia na bepese obedo mase a na ka bibi kire wo kakra.
Yo, papa we dey that no sa kwenya do ami. The person no be attracted to him and the moment. Say you ni pando wa on na that ye emma so ba wo confirmation is occasion no ma. Nti o mutumi so ma that ye be tarnish. Then pipe more thing. The man in crime say, "My name is Chadia, my country by." I said, "I can see you on the moment." First of all, some members, and the technocrats, I'm no yet. I'm a party penny for. We are meant, and then we are original minister. None my handful. I will now buy to be Pia. You say, no Pia, show no piano, no Hopona, the Shannon. Now, West Strano.
Okay. Okay. Honorable I can FM your morning show team we so yama witiri nkwa na we de yama witiri nkwa ni assign day to anim say wadawro ma ye nyina yen she gloves no na fe ne yebeti asimu ankasa yes ya no pay okay abusia ya ne honorable Asare so na kwotwetwe nkomo no so ni tira yeye ewo eye Brim South achim suedru Oma Jinatum, Omumano 100% ama ene ono na we DC ewa chimsu edru ye ya hankrofo bi sase da ban munya botre oba o chere wadwaya na ogusu a woye ne ho yie ogusu woye ne ho yie ebinim so chere say wo chere wadwaya obeba ne yekoda dadade hey Ghana for so 30 minutes after 9 we are still live on Ahinkana 3.3 FM. And Crawford, add one more messages about we say, Obuoba, please help me in prayer so that my assembly members will reject our own at Asanemanso across like people did and doing in the various areas. Obuoba, in fact, bringing back that man again is like to the district because my people and I don't value his services anymore. Me mama chin ye frame or say Clement Manso and I would be free eba ya was say me mom pie mount now assembly members say was ne manso across so one koto abamfantia honorable Alex Inkum then pie boy would you see betie anyways thanks for coming through with this one. Winslow say congratulations and comma honorable Paula Samoa Obuoba Osi you are doing a great work nemum Endra se wan kasa wadi wani hunu Abnasi asphalt no. Aha. If I show Abnasi asphalt ni efre no dodge one get one free potholes no. E wura di nyankopon. Obebu pa. Said ni kuru no mfre no be kan opan ze den no. Omo potholes ni efre ni bebu pa. Mete hayi mabubu ni mete ha no. Anyways, also a friend is saying fee or the free fee clothing or the free achim abenase ena eba ye chira abenase fu nyina megidi se mo ho ye endra yitwemu ho we say good morning Obuoba Ofori Amanfo megidi se nyame adom ho ye yes nyame adom me ho ye also Obuoba me very 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 happy pa say enkrofo wa eye achima chiase DC assembly members no wo mo kokoto abadi tia papa no hey Obuoba ye DC you know say tienie ai ona tuetia no ona tuetia no ai assembly members na ya de ai esi ya DC ne eble on na eble ai ejene wasre sa no obo assembly members na ba say enkofu mu yebuei Ye buei. Ni oton brodo ye friend brodo ura. Ni wa bodam so ye friend abodam. Hey, ajima chance o se ayiri yo. DC na ya rejected na branti di asasa no. O se nchia nkoma ne boss kwaku ennin kusibu adum. Na adwempa hini Kofi Mensa na wankasa Obuoba nso so me chia mu nyina na me pacho me mumu ne mayo da ben ne beba me de me kai mo se ne be ya mure emfia na sese mure fia masan ka mo ye frɛ me Kwabena Steven o de tena ho na ento ato a Kwabena, thanks for coming through with your message. And this one also says adwempa ehin fa na kokoda enra na no so ye wasem adwempa obi si mimisa wo se ehin fa na kokoda enra wo wen so obi yi ano a I say Adwempa, please, where did you sleep yesterday? Hey, 7. Hey, Edio, I don't know from baby, because I don't know the time Uncle Fubisasa. Edding say, anyways, it is an interactive show as we keep saying. Therefore, you can send your comments, your sentiments, your opinions. You know, you can bring them. We will read them to the hearing of the whole world live on the show. 34 minutes after 9. Ma memfa dwatonde we mfam fam sanse ma no dam nyina eye wo mo adaroma eniti ma memmo ma baso kakra. Ash foam se me misaw se mattress ben na woda so. Se okokofa achim odan kwanta ekwan ne so a benase ho no a de kofo ase ayire bi ba na se wa mpem papa so ana endra se nkanya ash foam na me da so a aka mitimi madwuma ne because be kan pa no awoso ne te se vibration kwan ne te se vibration e wo so na so nyame adom wo de yabubo mu a portfolio yi dodge one get one free ene de na mu a na ye de akwa aba ena bedam papa so ya ash foam no ene se na ahoden aba masan ba to adwuma so ameye nti ash foam o se men kan kire se oba no awoko secondary school no endra nsuo ne to ne kokan yen hye ayiribi senior high ho no mo enkwada ne bebre obi aso ne mattress me hwe ya bebre no aye ash foam ena me se mo ani abi e pa cho mo nto bebre no afa ma mo ma no omo call secondary schools omo call ehefa omo nyina behia eye mattress ya free ash foam pillowcase ena pillow no ankasa nso ye wo bi ewo yen ho enomo nia ode se wo bed ne so ye ebi mo friend bed spread ebi mo friend bed sheet whatever you will call it, there is a bed over there I was a wakata so and intina ye kamfo eye ash foam womo bed sheet no e de amount duvet and I said towels wardrobe ena wo pa ye kamfo eye ash foam e de amount na no pay sofa type ben o de unya duru ho no mo a on sabe kan o de utie me o kede o suedru o akroso e na achiase baby adane gobe no se ho na wo a me pa cha o mu nyina mo nkonko pebi nti assembly members no ubia nkonko pe ash foam na so yesi sumiye ma adwen sachira se e bi adwen sachira be ba de a e wo so opani no o ma mu nyina ash foam na mo da so no ye hwe se adwen sachira e be ba de a enti eno nso so mo kwa achiase ambenya bi ato e wo ho na yen wo eye odan ha yi yen so yanko Intiamwa Hotel Junction ash foam fraying 0552 997330 0552 997330 and 0245 011255 0245 011255 ash foam or see feel it know it pa na nyame adom ye pe talent na ya groomi talent na ya manfaso aba talent ne so enti wutie me ebia na ba bia wo hye no enipa nte wonka wa wrapo agura mu ye wo bre o na wutira yiyie sa henkan aba ankan fm se menkan kire emrante ne maba wa munimu rapo wunimu nyomo to edien pa na wunimu ye ha wo de anu ane se ye nwom nko a de a na se wo mmɔ nkwase anwom a mpache wo ye ba aba betwe wo afiri baabi a wo no ye ba betwe wo afiri baabi a wo no na no pa ye tika mu anwuma ne nkrofo bi bo o si ja John na eba ja John na eba am say hey that we see wa ko aro mo say water edinyo e ba to bobo sa anwum bi de yimu awo ja John na eba no da bi ye no de yimu awo bonyumpa ni emra mebo awo enti Ankan FM ye de ye talent hunt program edi ebremu efia de biada wabra no nkono abo ekokopim edu baako 9 to 11 p.m. Yenya wi abrempana muntu no a na talent hunt program ne so to aso a Steven Frimpong ansu your friend DJ Toxic Peace FM no wo mo amotatie no DJ Toxic owo Peace FM obi sinti wa ba dwane ahenkan na wo bone part time say ni odi ahenkan bo no bone ha aha enti DJ Toxic efia da bia obetena ase na ye de rap singing unim DJing enti mu amote wonu mu dwuma no DJ Shabodi microphone afi de brana so what does here what wonu mu dwuma no de ne nko ba bia afi na brana so enti wutie me unim rapping unim singing unim DJing utimi bonyum twitwi so chro ye the competition ne de hyehyɛ so nyame ya wadom na ye pekewa ohene ba ene wa obehunu say yes ye ni abrepa eti pa chaw aya no wahia DJ Toxic from 9 to 11 p.m. efia da bia omu wi abrempo na muntu no a no nso ate asim enti se wunim rap wunim singing wunim DJing na me pa chaw eno an say obema Ankan FM aya awe say onua minimum to minimum raga na ye hwede ye wo ho K Asenso Limited say swinging wheel of chairs, quality wooden chairs, authentic bookshelves. Enkunya papa na wo pa e K Asenso Limited. Mo ya sorry, mo ya adwuma circular Adabraka off Iran Clinic, Kanishi Flamingo Road. Ubehunu K Asenso Limited wo ho. 0302257209 0302919739. Home of quality office chairs and bookshelves. Captain Jesus Prayer House and 28th of September. Akan na fuam yenu ne ade dwumadie ni nyina ba wieye ene nti wo de order so to no akasa tenten ni wo tu shed da no ne ba won so de so opani ni wa wie me pa cha wo tie me o wa chim across so manso ofonase ayiri bi asene agona mfanti ni wadu biase asikuma odobe brakwa anomabo ene ne importamu ba bi a wo te yanka firi bia ko fodua ye tonsa de afremo se mo nyina mo mra me hia eyo osofu jima prophet jima ewo achim odan Methodist conference na empaibo no conference hall hono mo no na empaibo ne yemfa nhyehyɛ so den frempany 0548 672976 0548 672976 and 0505 791300 0505 791300 Captain Jesus or see Radi Be or Sabe Yentwaso company is say oh pass as ya man so twe bia ni so a ye kanfo yen de ne de amount abo and a company ni wo 0553 044069 0553 044069 frewo mu na fi ni aka wo mu bia muni ho enkomo Ankan FM Games and Fun Festival nyame adom a me da ne kwasie de ya ebe ya ena ye di program no e di ehye so anenti se wani je ho se competition no ba be ye bia e pa cho mana moto bra be fa wo form say 20 Ghana cedis pe free 0241 51 2388 uti ye na wo ba be ye bi na wo qualify a ye be che bi no TV mobile phones pens t-shirts ene niam ahodo bibire no e ka ho company nso sesen wa mo pasase ato enti wutie bi na wasase di free Achim State free aboabo ho no a free 0244 878763 0244 878763 and 0205 581618 0205 581618 eno ne number wadaroma onso so obefre na o asase di free Achim State junction ho no a e de bepem aboabo pia ekwan ho ene epe no yɛpɛ ne kwan ho wobɛtumi afrɛ saa number no na nkɔmmɔ a aka bia no nso yɛtumi ne wo adi sima adua 9 mmiɛnsa ɛna abɔ apa anɔpa no nkron ho ɛnkyɛ na yɛde dwumadie no ba na wie but before we do that no wo sɛ mahyɛ wo bɔ sɛ NDC foɔ abatoɔ no sɛdeɛ yɛbɛkɔ no yɛnya fila ne dada ɛne yɛde ɛbrɛ wo yɛnya fila no sɛdeɛ abatoɔ no bɛkɔ ɛne yɛde brɛ wo nti the last time ana me ne wo ɛdi nkɔmmɔ no na me ne wo ɛhwɛ wɔn presidential ɛyɛ flag bearership no wɔn ɛyɛ possible sɛ wɔn ɛbɛfa nti ɛnɛ me de saa story no ɛde bɛtoa so na afei yɛahwɛ sɛdeɛ wɔn abatoɔ no ebesi akɔ ɛyere so sɛ den nea mebɛka kyerɛ wo yɛ den ebi bɛba mu enti wɔn presidential ne deɛ sɛnɛ da no meka kyerɛ wo no yɛwura John Dramani Mahama when it comes to financial muscles say when we wɔ sika I am not saying say NDC ni mo on the wɔ sika o there be but when we wɔ sika o betumi spend wɔ abatoɔ ho yɛwura John Dramani Mahama when and wɔ akyi tayeɛ no because say impo utwi wuti say o ba in one way or the other no we are the appointee of John Dramani Mahama what you say wodi no si nkyɛn a hwan ɛna NDC ni mu sisi a ɔyɛ marketable ɛyɛ John Dramani Mahama ɔno ne yɛatɔn no a enti ne sisi a deɛ NDC mu no ɛyɛ yɛwura John Dramani Mahama ɛna yɛba ne sɛ flag bearership a ɔstande tall ɛwɔ NDC mu na nea aba bɛyɛ din sisi a ɛyɛ hwan ɛne ɔbɛpɛɛ no nea ɔbɛpɛɛ no nso so no ebetumi determine the future of the NDC dia ɔba bɛyi no abɛka ne ho no will determine the future of the NDC ewiase deɛ wobɔ bra a wodwene papa no adwene bɔne nti if they fail to win 2024 the person that will pair Yera John Dramani Mahama no should be somebody or your potential president and I say obetimi lead the party no into 2028 abatwo and this ana okokofa obi a say onu nu ni ho a omuntumi mfa ne nkɔ ko animu a ɛne wabo party ne fom to enti se si an Yera John Dramani Mahama asudie da no so ɛso paa asudie no ani ti na ɔka do or die na ɔka do or die no man ante ase do or die na ɔka ne kyerɛ sɛ when we need 2024 amfa ama NDC fo a NDC party no ebe tonsuom emu bɛkyekyɛ because already no do no anhyɛ da nyini ni sɛ obetumi awini ɛne ti na ɔsɛ do or die no asekyerɛ no ɛna ma kyerɛ wa no pɛyi enti ɛno so asɛm ɛwɔ hɔ na ɛnneɛma wodo asɛ wantimi awini 2024 a ebesisi no nyame yɛ adom ɛno so yɛayɛ ho story a yɛde bɛbrɛ o afei yɛnkɔ yɛntro yɛn focus no on ɛyɛ NDC party no ankasa wɔn national executive elections a wɔn hwɛ anim so wɔn bɛhyehyɛ so sɛ ɛnɛ ɛyɛ exactly 3 years nie ɔmanya 3 leadership yɛ wɔ so sesi ya no ɔmanya mfie miɛnsa nti aka ɔma afe nti nyame yɛ adom a next year ɔmo kɔ akɔto saa aba no na Yera Johnson asiedu nketia adwenpa wutie Johnson asiedu nketia ma attention mra ha Johnson asiedu nketia unse sisi ɔna yɛ general secretary edema NDC o free general secretary no akɔ pre chairman na chairman na akɔ pre ɔne chairman ofusu ampofo ɛredi kosi ani chairman ofusu ampofo nso so ɛwɔ John Dramani Mahama camp what you say enti dia ɛbobɔ ba no enti Yera Johnson asiedu nketia sisi ya no secretary no wadi wa brɛ almost 16 years or 20 something years wa brɛ enti wɔkɔ for higher position
or upgrade no ho
or kopɛ chairman adi na chairman no ɔno kwakɔpɛ na nyɛ ɔno nko a o chairman of Fusu Ampofo nsusu ayi ne ti so ɔno nso so ɔbɛba bɛ pribi ɛne adam panimfo bi a ɔmo nso so wɔ NDC ni mu a ɔmo nso so ɔmo abɛ pre ɛyɛ chairmanship position no ebi enti sɛ Yewura Johnson asiedu nketia free secretary ho no akwa pre chairmanship dia na just any secretary position na beda ho nyesa
sure
eno na fifi fiavi kwete what in Canada obeye minister for food and agriculture Ghana fifi fiavi kwete I think so some about deputy minister for finance or so one so say na tie dia ene na oba abepre general secretary na general secretary krono na Elvis Afriye Ankra okay no
yeah
yikube $2 so $10 oba ba bi sun ye nyina chi no ono so say ene no ono so ba be pe secretary ni bi because Yewura Johnson esi edu nketia eni ho but ne yatie ne say ukọ NDC musisi ya Yewura John Dramani Mahama o si General Secretary John Johnson esi edu nketia wa mebo number because he couldn't account for 2016 about why to ye 2020 when me anya account be pem na NDC for kra ni mu ma o munya ye and it should be there to see abu akura so odi ahon pepre ko nu maginamu anufu no enu bi na da so see NDC for so be pem ne omunim figures o munya ye enti Yewura John Dramani Mahama so wadwa support siedu nkatia biem ena unso mo party no o general secretary a o ye powerful enti sa na tie dia siedu nkatia se ono kra won na kra nko biem no akore enti wo pushi akosoro ho ena Yewura Mahama nso so oni pass si ya o tai na chi so on call for general secretary fivi fiavi kwete o tai na chi den
so ono ne ben no
ayin so ono na emra to na won camp so ono na emra otuko no senko ono so ko pre general secretary position ni bi sisi o deputy nti o so ko person opijanim but fifi twin ni ti a ohunu se fifi nso o JM camp no ama ogusu a wo dwene ho whether on maintaining the deputy general secretary no anase wonko okonso so a o Felipe wa free agronim nti eno so ayire den nti secretary position no Elvis Afriye Ankra fifi avi kwete any mpanimfo bi ekeka ho na o matwemuti but ene de fifi a na ekọ because Yewura John Dramani Mahama wo fifi ne camp Yewura John Dramani Mahama sign wo
but I think say I went so general secretary some of Usampofo
they go be chairman
so no oni Mahama camp
chairman wo Mahama camp
oh okay
ena fifi wo Mahama camp say party there powerful ye chairman
general
secretary organizer
yeah
and then youth organizer and women's organizer enti Yewura Mahama ono ne nkrofo a wota o machi nie fifi avi kwete chairman of Usampofo and a women organizer no so no o se maame no wa hasisi ya no o kasa dodo na ne ye Louisa Hana bisi
bibi obeka
enti no omo de obobi adako obobi a kane no ye adwuma TV so
yeah
ono no omo de neighbor enti no ena organizer ne de captain da so gina Joshua o da so gina mu ena youth organizer no one guy Kobi also the Kobi die bempo Fumanizo Kobi something one also so atwinity a wo ba Kobi Ballon Kobi Ballon so no so call for national chairman national organizer
okay
and you to the no na omuguso a wo mo ye and we say communication officer so there
general no on pijam
Sami ana Sami guso odwen ho Sami guso odwen ho
pijam ba mo pijam me de tumi de ho aye so no kasa no punch wo
nhuza
otimi punch
tu jagu nkrofo bi so na wo kire wo mo
sanzuru ntingu so no mu dwa wo enti onu mom de atwe o maintain e be boa wo mo
ni misa ne NDC for friend no Sami Jamfi 1,000 engovo bi frefre ba asembe pa na wo fra ba wo be ka ba so udi ni ba ka se free
pato ya fem original kakeku
mi pato yinti o
ni mamuni ya kimasa moye sabe ofwase ayo bi kwan no aye pa se no awko no the whole Ghana MP a wa bon pa ne
Dabi. Nyabotre. Uso obi abon me so me be your max. Nyabotre. Die ben na wugina so a wo so abon. O ma ne max ni wa feli.
Okay, max no mom de e kwa no mom no wa feli photo.
Enti o bon no a wo so abon ne die enti ni wa abon.
Kwa ni no so wa abon no.
E kwa
okaze ndama ya meto abarin no say we buku ta na ya to aba se ko wan ya wa o she kwan da opa esimanho
enti na me bawo kaka kwe na mafa phone program o koso kaka ku na ye MP e wo fo ase ayire bi na ebia wa hye me bo ntimi ni so na mafre phone so kaka ku a oya MP e wo fo ase ayire bi wa bon pa wa bon o tene sa den na be koso wa utirim
me bata o say mini problem me ya de papa anko ba ko bo mtin papa
enti wo de wo tene sa wani beje ho why are there yeah that's it ma obi nso meto aso bi why
okay yo
that's be brave 0201944485 yeah kind DC wo mo analysis na ye o nso so how na obetumi dia ba ya na wa put no in a polite way what you say na emwa ye nyina yenya ne sa na emwa ye that's be brave mpacha udin ni ba bi akase free all right na shintio
Baba na kupon kam ni edimata moye
amen
ai ma kan sembe be na me focus pa o MMDC ni so Baba enne we atiasi die ni enyame de ekoso so do dia mmam se e blast se omo eto saba no Baba eto bugiem Baba enne da ni pedi din komo na me nim so mo ya family members but enkomodina afa me no bi din komo no be wuram no mkaso me kwani afa me man na wasema wo kan e na asa mama ba mo nkomo yi Baba woni mi se omo so mo mpeso omo wo so bepimu nne this ikura wo so no bobu ba kokora o ma obi bia but bele so ye no o ma fra omo se omo ntoma no ni wai omo sa Baba enti bless kwa se wona mamu se man this is no se omo biem na omo doson if they omo nyadi me bia na so be do se se ni pa omo wo mo se be to ba ni sanity no ma from no ma pirige no ma to e ba ni science mempo no e high papa
okay all right means me that's papa papa chudi ni baby akase free hey na what aso Ghana
me wa ha me nko baby Obuoba me da pa program no wo ya de se obi frɛ na sebe wo kasim bia enya utimi stop no ya mission ayesa abema wajuma na akoso pa na NDC yire na person kan akra nti Johnson ya sie dunkatia on trabe do te wa
there be
oboya ko gunani masasa nti ebi yama no nti nko mai betumi a yensre no on train junior secretary within fi be do no ho na fi o be retire for no retire me de dem kan
yo yate ya da se bebre emba chodi ni baby akase free
Jadam for it.
Yo, Jadam for it, yo.
Yo, Obuoba for Michia, one of a number of pennies, so Atia and Penifua, a work insurance and F insurance manager, paid in Michiapa. Unia, NDC, Penny Secretary, or having Paraka crowd. And why not some fair Cosua, no press conference, no, what can ya, and so that if I pass you to work. What did you do? That's a lot of Brana would shrimp and Qualaya, Nancomaco money. Unia, Mamento Aso, your dead Muquine. Contractor now, Oyen, where Jack Accra, but your people now, Ufo, every quanta, Aquaja de Moon, Unia, Obuoba. In so to say, can't mean through, motor to Minko. And then you, a soya to the Australia, but what Accra. Na onpe musumaye eneza unia ateni pato ansana ya mayana
okay yati
anape uni na management
made us say be brave okay 57 minutes after 9. Aka simami and san near the BBRDSC. So what you say? Thank you. All right. Inti, I don't know. And this is for analysis, no. I don't know. Yera Johnson is here doing Ketia. Walk off for chairmanship. And chairman of Usampo from Sujinum. No chinso. General secretary position, no Fiavi Kwete. Or no so kwakope. Elvis a free young cra. Choboy. Or no so ko. And a DJ boy and
DJ boy and yum. Choboy. DJ boy and
DJ boy and yum. Our friend is saying Otukono DJ boy and yum. Or no so Wuguswa warding one of the Onyansi nipi. Because one person will be free. System nim. So what I say.
System nim more de free more associate with ba.
If I told you be can say free.
Oh, some start going taxi driver.
You start going to.
Therefore, here can say on that MC. It's gonna tell my for the month to my non-born boy. The money, I'm looking for
Yate, stagger. Yeah, that's CBB. All right, Inti. My I'm sorry, so. I'm sorry, so na fe yanko kram. But your more friend, more fan chemi.
We got you say na hu ni sa. Ti do tini ja ho no.
E do hu ni say dey.
But sad news. One of Ghana musician, high life musician, Nana Kwame Ampedu. Wakanchinegu.
Oh.
Yeah.
Egbo.
Wakanchinegu.
Me ami krom ni Obuoba
Na Kwame Ampedu Wakanchinegu. Yeah.
Oh.
Oko.
Oh, that be. Sisi ya on.
Yeah. Sisi.
Oh.
Sisi.
Charlie. Pe.
Sisi.
Ne yini bi wo ho na.
Edi. That na oh him no.
Ne yini bi wo ho ma me na me sorry. Oh. Ending the show on that sad note.
Sure. Sure. Eddie.
I want the one. Oh. Kwame Ampedu.
Oko anyene. Papa nako.
Semo. Sisi ya on.
Oh, sure. Sure. On our page, crowd.
When you mumu die.
1945.
When you aden. Why your penny crack chain or penny? Why your penny chain or penny?
Guys, that I will party. I'm a charmer. You. Charmer watching him in Kobana.
Minimum, you cry.
Baby.
Okay, it's my emphasis and come out with you and can't call me about being the executive producer for the show. I dream pioneer and so Eka Hun Ebi. And Yedi Jumedi de Bremo, Kwame Asante, Eka Hun, and I knew teacher who could no the Kroashi Mono. Was he a friend of Kwabena Key with Anamba? Kobe K. One of those who could to Kwano Fakruan Shimo Honomo. Yabasore so na a fear ample for one so the Cassiabote no. Eddie atwaso ama me pa cho hwe ye wo hwe nsu ye ni yesu be mu awtumi enyini eche na Kwame Ampedu de ade na kwa ne de nyame onfa okra nsie eyie nyame fa okra nsie afia
abo
mikrum ni pani pa na da for me o
asem o asem papa
nyum nso de abebu ebio
pa
Kennedy Japan yesu obetua ne ka akopim so bewu enti oto obosumi bia ne Kennedy onye ono nko ono ene Obuoba ji adofo omom bosumi akatua saa ene si ampampa wadi awuo no
so wanyi dia
wanyi
to de bia anyu mo be favorite o
anyu mo ho
ni anu mantie bang edepa
okay nti ya focus ya bota ntu aso bi say cost ya be obeto aso na wama ya kaka ya ho kaka
ayam ye nyina nka hu say esro dabe ne kra
esro breku ne kra
na sunu kwate jayeni bre ebusiafo anapa nondu abapa wo sema mienu Kasiabotel ena mede ebre wonsama hodro betwago ye pram to bra kasiabo ne anumredie mo ena mede babasomo medi ade afia ampofo wa afetie mami Kate Jemfo a waba achemodane ne mpatem no waba ya no de bosha kakraka ne baye bosha kro na wode baye ede bre dwomfo ma no kasiabo ahodro ede bebro ya na wachen waso betensem Sanso ena tobacco fo be 200 tobacco pharmacy wonom ewopo mantem anu dem say his excellency na nado danko akufado ombie borders no Sanso ena communication director ya wa his excellency na nado danko akufado atna ye kese so dia tudwa wache say okujeto abrakwa entro kakraka entro kese no watwato adusho boy so na nyankopon ohwe ne pa ya de ene ahodo no baba abasom we kase bomu Anu adana maamia Yesusu se wanyem na wayiraye. Onu ase wanyem biem. Ensem no aya something which is there. Acquire something which is there. Ye hu baabi asem no. Ni tini ne nan wo. Endra ya de ni kopie mu ewo court. Na yebako ya mani boni ho na waboye mu enchire mu. Sanso ena kwamu hine. Na abarima safo etwenebu akodua so de atodwa wo kyese. Health centers bebre hono a adusho boy wonwie yenti no untemptuously ya won be non completed buildings ne de adoso Ghana hadodo speak your mind movement of when so wa moji wa home na wa Ghana he say wo ye babu na eni kwan say obi a wa be politician pen ujini di eni kwan say usua na na mo sense politicians a wodo bebre no fake lives and shrunk one na wor mu twa na what say Bank of Ghana say Ghana CD Ghana 1 CD no ye bejai di 2 Ghana CDs ye bejai di note no ye bejai edi na Ghana fo bi wono ma kire wo madwen ede afa ho na 2020 MPP parliamentary candidate ewo akwatia ene ye kasai wo kwaye adoye ene ahodro no ebe piem wo premto brakase na say enwe no nsia kase bo na ndra se wunim se onmonyamfo Richmond Kofi Amponsa achiase DC ya president Akufo-Addo aboni din nyamianum no kra ni Amponsa mati kwandra abato no koso no na aya something which is the one fa enu ntia bekwa akoto ni biem enu nam so ma Eastern Regional Minister akasa e de akira assembly members no ene wiem bobrensam so ye de betu dwa etiane kasebo wansama hodre betwaguo ewe ya kasebo mu na mayiyi ani no ede amawo ha na kasebo tew ne besie midi edi afia ampofo wa merase